Welcome to Daily Tech Tips. Most of the times we all do right click and click on refresh after turning on your computer or restart computer. But most people don't really know what it actually does. I explained the reality of this myth and how it works, if you should do it randomly, and the benefit and important facts of computer refreshing process. When you click on refresh button, it simply redraws and reorganizes the icon and files you see. The technical view is it tells the Windows Explorer or your operating system to recheck the desktop appearance or any other open window appearance to update it. That's the technical view of refreshing computer. What are the common cases where it useful? After creating, deleting or moving or renaming a file on the desktop and it doesn't immediately update. And also after installing the software that should add shortcuts on the desktop. Should you refresh randomly? Definitely no need to refresh. If nothing has changed, no new files, no missing icons, then refreshing doesn't do anything on your computer. Random refreshing is unnecessary and can become just a habit. The real benefit of refreshing is when you actually should refresh desktop icon missing or desktop icon not showing properly and system like cases icons to freeze or overlap incorrectly, and also after adjusting display settings, it means screen resolution or scaling. It helps to visual update changes made in the background and resetting the stuck or glitched desktop view. The most common misunderstanding of this myth: the refreshing does not speed up your computer or clean RAM, fix deep system problems, or fast startup, reducing startup times, or improve any other hardware acceleration. It's only a cosmetic or visual fix procedure. I will remind you, use refresh when needed, but don't overdo it thinking it makes your computer faster. Share this video with your friends who keep refreshing without knowing the reality. If you like to watch more technology videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel.